All right, hello everyone, welcome back. I'm really hoping my camera does not act up because we've been having a day today. So I just really wanted to show you what I look like with my Lachelle lashes and without. All right, this is just a simple look I have. I'm not really doing anything. I think at the most I'm probably just gonna go to Starbucks and do some homework and go to Target. So simple look. But as you can see, like the side with the lash, it just takes you to another level, people. This is one of my faves. Her name is Glitter. Okay, Glitter doesn't do too much, but she still gives you that like edge. I like it a lot. I just love it. Like, cover up half of the face. Nails aren't done, don't judge. All right, cover up half of the face. This is giving you drama. Cover up this half of the face. It's like almost doesn't count. Okay, so I just really love lashes, and I think each different style you have can just take you to a new level. Like, so this is Glitter. She's fun, she's wispy, she's giving me the little umph that I need to this outfit. And so really quick, wow, now these lashes are reusable, so this is not my first time wearing this strip, okay, for Glitter, because clearly I said it was my fave. So I definitely rewear her a lot. So I'm definitely going to show you how I put on my lashes. So the first thing you want to do is have your lash. Definitely make sure you measure it out to your eyelid. Everybody's eyelids are different, and so you can snip them with a little pair of scissors that you have. And definitely choose the glue of your choice. So the glue that I'm using today is the Duo glue. It's the brush on kind. Because I am allergic to latex, so I have sensitive skin. I don't want my eye blowing up, girl, over some lashes. So I definitely use the sensitive skin kind because I am allergic to latex. So what I do is, this is the brush. It's really small. I just take the lash. Literally, I'm just going to coat the whole band with the glue. So I'm going to do that right now. And it's people moving outside, so I'm sorry if you hear like a lot of rumbling, bumbling, because that's not me, sis, okay? So I'm just gonna put that in here. Paint, paint, paint. Tip, because lashes always lift at the corner, definitely make sure you put, like, secure that extra love to the corner, sis. So I definitely want to make sure I get it on the side, like lather her up, because you don't want her to be lifting in the corners when you take pictures and things. That is just not cute. Now, I definitely gave myself a challenge. Also blow the glue to make it tacky. I definitely put on my right lash better than my left. So this is definitely going to be a challenge that I chose to put the left lash on for all of the world to see. How smart was that? But here goes nothing. I usually, liner is essential to me putting on lashes. I usually take the lash, line it up on the line of my eye, and I plop it there. So I'm going to try my best to show you how to put it on. That's why a lot of people who do their makeup, you see that they do their lashes off camera, because it's just kind of hard to have you guys see. All right. Here we go. Whoa, child, I'm nervous, because I am just terrible with the left lash, and I'm trying to get y'all at an angle where y'all can see. So here, can't be scared. I just found that line, and I tack her on, sis. I'm struggling a little bit. I gotta be quiet, sorry. All right, she is struggling. Surprisingly, I can put it on better with my left hand, even though I'm right-handed. Am I ambidextrous? But I can't talk. What is that? Okay, gotta shut up. Yes. I think I put this on inside out, but All right, so this is the finished look, you guys. Ew, ew, ew. All right, so this is just casual Tiff. Sorry, Candy is shaking, girl. I'm shaking the table. I'm shaking the table. Oh, seriously, okay, let me just sit down. I'm just really doing the most. All right. All right, so I'm just trying to get you into like a full face of seeing me. So this is the finished look. It's just like a soft basic look. I'm not really doing anything nude lip, but I feel like the lashes take you there, sis. All right, so make sure you shop my lash company, support Black business, support a teacher trying to make a difference and a come up. Okay, it's hard. All right, so this is the style Glitter. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I think I'm gonna do a compilation and like do some other ones where I show some different styles from my website. Why do I feel like my camera is shaking? Anywho, this is the finished product. Like I said, like it just gives you that extra like zhuzh, like that extra like, oh, okay, sis, it's like the cherry on top of a sundae, the whipped cream on top of your frappuccino, the drizzle on top of the frappuccino. Okay, that's what a lash is for me. It's just like, if you don't have it, it's not complete. Like, sis. And look, it doesn't look like I have spider eyes, because I love y'all, but some of y'all look like that a little bit. I feel like the bigger the lid and the bigger the look, the bigger the lash. All right, if your lid's not doing too much, you don't need all that lash. For me, for my face, okay? That's just what I can pull off. If my lid is not doing the most with a cut crease and glitter, then my lash is not doing the most either. And so that's what I love about Lachelle Lashes. I definitely have a variety of styles that you can choose from. If you like to go big or go home, sis, I got you. Glamour girl, goddess, I have those big lashes that you're looking for those looks. If you're like, Tiff, I'm intimidated, I don't want to wear all of that stuff, I got you. Okay, Boss Lady glitter that I'm wearing right now, something subtle but will set you over the top and give you that glamorous look you're going for. So remember to shop Lachelle Lashes, friends. Thank you.